The context of this video is the side plane, 2 petal, opposite direction, in spin flower, where you do the petals at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. And we are in side opposite right. So the left hand is underhand and the right hand is overhand. Let us start first with the Poilates. Now, if you look at the motion, what you'll notice is we're at the T, then we swing to the T. Then we're at left is going to go to the front, right goes to the back. That's your first T. Then they both come up and over, and they switch positions. And then they do a petal there. Then they both come across the bottom and switch positions back to where you started. So over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. Over the top to the T, across the bottom to the T. Open to the left, open to the right. Open to the left, open to the right. And look forward the whole time. Open to the left, open to the right, open to the left, open to the right. Open to the left, and open to the right, and open to the left, and then open to the right, and open to the left, and open to the right, and open to the left, and open to the right. So it's going to go to the front, then go over the top to the back, then across the bottom to the front, and then over the top to the back. And now let's try it in single repetitions. So we'll go front and back and front and back and front. Look to the front, back, yes, front and back, front and back and front and back, and 4 and 3 more and 2 more and last one. Right hand is an overhand. The right hand is going to start in the back position here. So your hip is open to the right, and you're starting in the back position. And while you're looking at me now, in general, as you're doing the drill, you want to try and look forward, because that's how you're going to execute it. Then you're going to go over the top to the front, and in theory, your hip would really open that way because your left hand would be back here. Then you're going to go to the back, and then you're going to come to the front. Now let's do single repetitions in each position, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and back, and front, and hip, and front, back, front, back and front, back and front, back and front, back, front, looking forward and front, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. So we're going to take the right hand in overhand, it'll go to the back. The left hand is in underhand, it'll come to the front. So you're going to come into your T. So we're going to open this way. Left comes to the front, right comes to the back. Both going to come over the top and switch positions. And then they're both going to come across the bottom and switch positions to back to where you started. Both over the top. And make it flat, make it flat, make it flat. And both across the bottom. Both across the top. And both across the bottom. Both across the top. Both across the bottom. Both across the top. Across the bottom. Pedal, across the top. Pedal, across the bottom. Pedal, across the top. Pedal. Okay, let's start again. If you're struggling to get it up and keep it up, this Poilates drill might help you. Or not. We'll see. Your posture on your back hand, and I'm going to move closer to the camera so you can see this rather than this. Do you see the difference, right? Where you're not rotating the hip enough toward the back. We're going to bring the left to the front, the right to the back, and you're opening this way. Yes, and that should be a straight line. And they both come up, and you switch positions. And they both come down and switch. Up and switch, down and switch. Up and switch, down and switch. And T, swing, and T, swing, T, swing, T, swing, T, swing, T, swing, T, swing, look forward, T, swing, 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 T. Left hand is underhand, and we're going to come to the front, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and front and back, swing, front, top, back, bottom, 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 front, top, back, bottom. 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. And in overhand, we're going to go to the back first, and 5, 6, 7, go, and back, up, front, bottom, back, over, front, bottom, back, top, 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 front, bottom. 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more. Raise your arm when it's in the back, and last one. What we're going to do is we're just going to do 20 repetitions holding it in the back position. And what I want you to try and do is, so you're going to try and drop into your body and feel the sensation through the hip and the shoulder, and try and focus on your core muscles holding it up back here. Okay? So we start in overhands, 20 reps we're going to do, and we're going to open to the back. So remember to open your hip to support it back there. 5, 6, 7, go. Back, 2, 3, 4, looking forward, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Swing it around and back down to the bottom. And take a breath. We're going to go again, another 20, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look forward, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swing it around and come back down. Okay, now let's try 10 repetitions going back to front through the whole cycle. Overhand with the right hand, and you might be feeling it right now on your right shoulder. 5, 6, 7, and back, swing, front, 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 and 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, and last 2, and last 1. Do 20 reps like we did before, front to back, in underhand. Here we go, starting in underhand, side plane. 5, 6, 7, 8, and front and back and front and back, front and back and front and back, front and back and front, back, front and back and front and back. Front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front, over, back, under, front and back and front and back, front and back and front and back, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last 1. Left hand is underhand, right hand is overhand. Let's just take a moment here within our sides, noticing the relaxation in our shoulder. You're pumping your hands up and down. You're holding it comfortably there. Breathe into it. Relax. And we're going to take a deep breath and then let out any stress and tension you may have. And 5, 6, 7, and left, front, right, back, holds. And swing it around, left, back, right, front, hold, and swing it across the bottom, left, front, right, back, and hold. And we're going to come over the top and left, back, right, front, and hold. Swing across the bottom and left, front, right, back, and swing left, back, right, front, and swing left, front, right, back, and swing left, back, right, front, and swing left, front, right, back, over the top, left, back, right, front, across the bottom, left, front, right, back, across the top, left, back, right, front, Cross the bottom and left, front, right, back, swing, left, back, right, front, swing, left, front, right, back, swing, left, back, right, front, swing, and pedal, and swing, and pedal, and swing, pedal, and swing, and pedal, swing, and pedal, and swing, and pedal, and swing.